Dear diary, I'm feeling lost again, thinking of way back when. Every night I'd sit down to write. Dear diary, no longer an ink affair. My fingers now glide through air.
What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sonia here again. We're about to have an eventful weekend, okay? So I just came back from the tailor shop. I went to get this. So one of my husband's friends is having his traditional wedding tomorrow, and we're going to be attending, and we decided to sew a uniform. I and my husband decided to go with white. So I had to sew this last minute. Like last week Thursday was when we decided. So I had to start looking for a tailor because I don't know any tailor around here. The tailor that normally sews my clothes is my sister-in-law, and she's not in the same location with us. So I had to look for a tailor around here, and I found this lady that she did a wonderful job. I'm so impressed. When I was giving her this material, I just kept saying, are you sure this one will not do me what I ordered versus what I got? And then, are you sure she's going to deliver? Because she literally had just 1 week to make this dress, and I just got back. I'm so impressed with her work. So this is the dress I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow. It's white and it's looking too bright on the camera, but when I wear it tomorrow, you guys will see it, sha. But it's so fine. I'm so impressed with her work. I just kept telling her that she should just know that she has gotten a new customer in this area, because I didn't know she was going to deliver. I've just been, did I give her the material? I was just thinking of another alternative, but apparently she did a good job. The only thing is that it was way costlier. Since I wanted an express work, she had to charge for express work, because she also has other people she's sewing for. So I got this new braids yesterday. I used Lush hair extension in colors black. I didn't want to start thinking about colors, so I just told them to use black for me. And then I decided to do the coily tips. I don't know what this is called though, but I decided to do the coily tips, and it's so fine. And it's quite long. I used 3 normal packs of the Lush hair extension. So I also wanted to fix my nails yesterday, but I ended up getting a cut, and I don't know, I feel like I have this fear that if I go ahead and fix my nails, it's going to inflame the injury, and I don't want to start dealing with willow on my hand. So I just cancelled that one. Even my lashes too, I've decided I'm not doing anything again. I beg, let me just carry the hair like this. After my makeup tomorrow, it's going to turn out well. So yeah. So guys, I have two engagements today. This second engagement was made last minute. As at yesterday, the only thing I had today was attending that traditional wedding, which I told you guys about. But this second engagement, it came up unexpectedly. I didn't know I was going to go. So but this morning I'm ready. The time is 11:30. I have 30 minutes to get to the place. I'm so excited for it, and I'm so grateful for my growth. So once I'm done, I'll come home and change into that outfit I showed you guys yesterday, and then we'll attend the traditional wedding.
Dear diary, I'm feeling lost again, thinking of way back when. Every night I'd sit down to write. Dear diary, no longer an ink affair. My fingers now glide through air. Your pages compressed to a phone by my chest. Delete, I just repeat, waiting for answers to light up my screen. Type, delete, I just repeat. Type, delete, delete. Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory. Adding the lines to my digital diary. Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory. Adding the lines to my digital diary.
So you guys, I have a few errands to run today. I need to go to the supermarket and get a few items, and then I'll go straight to the market and buy. I want to make okra soup this evening, so I need to buy the okra and the vegetable, and then I'll stop by some other place to make some inquiries as I'm getting ready. By the way, today is my sister's birthday. Like my sister Chinyere, I don't think you guys have seen her in my vlog. No, okay, she has been in my vlog, but it's been so long. Today is her birthday and she did some photo shoots. Oh my god, let me show you guys at least one of the pictures. Just look at this beauty. I'm having a proud big sister moment too, guys. Like my siblings make me so happy. Like they always make me happy, and we've come so far. So yeah, I've just been so happy today, as if it's my own birthday, but it's not my birthday. It's my sister's birthday. She did a whole lot of photo shoots, and if you're following me on Instagram, you must have seen, like, I posted everything on my Instagram status, because fine pictures cannot be wasting in my gallery. This is not a year with hot pictures in this life, so I need to rush out now so that I'll come home early. Plus what I'm going to look for in the supermarket, I hope they have it too, because if they don't have it, hey, I don't know where else I can find it. Like this place I'm going to now is my last hope, so I hope they have it, because I'm struggling with my hair. I don't know who told me to go and remove the rubber, and the lady that made the hair used to tie the hair, because the hair is quite bald. So but I'm just going to pack it like that. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these black jeggings and this new shirt, my husband's new shirt that I took from his wardrobe. I'm sorry baby if you're watching this. I'll wash it and put it back, I swear. So I'm ready to go, and I'll see you guys when I get back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm back and I'll do a little haul for you guys. I'm trying to pin this microphone. So So I bought some wipes. I use this to clean my makeup. All those fancy ones, all those makeup wipes, they don't really work for me, so I prefer using baby wipes to clean my makeup. And then I told you guys I wanted to make soup, so this is the ugu. It's already cut. And then this is the okra, which is also already cut. I actually prefer them cutting it in the market for me because it's easier for me that way. And then I bought some skewers. To be honest, I don't have any immediate need for this, but I bought it today because I remembered it. Every time I go to the supermarket, like the times I need it, I don't always buy it because I always forget. But today I just bought it. I want to just keep it in the house so that next time when I need it will be that I have it at home instead of doing a makeshift with our toothpick. So I got some skewers. Then I bought some notebooks. I bought these 2 notebooks. So the truth is, I wanted planners. Like what I had in mind when I was going to the book section was to buy planners. But when I got to the planner section, I was seeing planners like 10,000 naira. I was like, yeah, are planners that expensive? Hey, nah. I decided to settle for this one. So because I was like, what do I want to plan in this my life with a 10,000 naira planner? Nah, I just decided to buy these 2 notebooks. Okay, I'm just going to use either I convert it into a planner, like I would DIY it into a planner, I'll just use it like this. But I needed 2, so I got 2 notebooks, and they are really fine. I like these colors, just normal notebooks. So I don't know why I'm splurging. I think I have money that I buried somewhere in this economy. Then I got some Mentos. So that's basically what I bought. I was able to run the errands I told you guys I would run, and yeah, now it's time for me to mommy is calling me. So I'll just go and make the soup, and yeah, we'll call it a day. Bye.